Hello guys. Hey guys, papalay Isaac an sikula Christmas concert ane do na percussion tung 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 atung don ni chu asodon an sodona chu kan bain don tun kal don ni
Mr. Miller, if they did not sign in yet because, yep,
an practice
he said yes. So if you missed it, it's all right.
Kan kontrol ang sin naman na pasok percussion
Ano ang din ka?
kanalut hello ba hey mo na kay na ko hecho binayin tamze maya Christmas concert ko he Urong Vitorio may kanaw ha ke kanalut hello ba kung khar la hong no dor la hong no Father for ko ho so da mo to mali ini to ria ma yani ko na kan ha mai ni kita am hamang mo an bay bay na sa kalen upper ano kan laba ding pakai faktor ding maksudnya bekas seperti itu balik dinding ngaitan ritain tentang dengan kol na lekol tehian ko pa sa ina may Christmas na Christmas concert may doon hin araw ko yung raincoat may napang may holy jadi talaga lambot ba yan kahit kami dan dua lang so that's fifth grade. Is that better? Araw ko yung henay.
All right, so next up, we're going to feature our clarinet section. Our clarinets are going to play their first 5 notes, and then we as a band are going to play Ode to Joy. Next up, we're going to feature our saxophone section. They're right in the middle there. It might be kind of hard to see. Saxophones go and wave real quick so everybody knows where they're looking. You're like, no, I don't want them to look at me. I'm just kidding. No, our saxophones, we're going to play the first 5 notes on the saxophone. And then after that, we're going to play Merrily We Roll Along. So right now, as we get ready to hear the trumpet section next up, we're going to feature our trumpet section. Trumpets are going to play their first 5 notes, and then after that, we're going to play the song Lightly Row. The next section we're going to feature is all the way back over there. We're going to feature our trombone section. This is the only instrument in the band that doesn't have buttons to make the notes. They use a slide to change all of their notes. So they're going to play their first 5 notes, and then we as a group will play Our Lee. The last section we're going to feature is our percussion section. They are going to play their first 5 notes on their bell kits, or where they learn their mallets, like I said earlier, just like the piano. After that, the band is going to play Jingle Bells. So here's the percussion, followed by Jingle Bells. Yeah, thank you.
có thôm để đón này em hiến chân em mày hay hồ về hồ tôi hít vào nó phá hồ ai rồi vào nó phá hồ làm kiệt chưa nhỉ 좀 cut về này dầu tay oleh Lumina Christmas concert này cô nga để cô tua lan concert chứ giống khá nhé rồi quý nè mày